It's been 3 months since her last pedi, which means lots of delicious sidewall cleaning. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Rachel here, aka the Nail Therapist here on YouTube. I am also the owner of Revive Nail Studio in Leesburg, Virginia, and I help people overcome nail issues using organic and non-toxic products. Today's video features a lovely client of mine who I haven't seen for about 3 months, so you can see how long her toenails are. And she chose to get the express pedicure because her neuropathy is pretty bad and she can't tolerate any kind of scrubbing on the bottom of her feet or the massage. So we do basically a dry pedicure with her to clip her nails, buff them, get the cuticles looking good, and then I just do a little bit of dry e-filing on the bottom of her feet to exfoliate as best I can to her comfort level. And then I did do a little bit of moisturization, but I didn't show it because it was very quick, and I just basically pressed the lotion into her skin because she can't tolerate the massage. This video is going to focus just on this left foot here and just doing the clipping and the cleaning, so it's going to be a little bit of a shorter video for you guys today. Because this client only comes in once every few months, she does ask me to trim them as low as I can. So that's why you don't see practically any white on the nails. She wants me to go as far as I can, so that she doesn't have to worry about clipping them on her own. My favorite bit for removing heavy cuticles is this long and lean tapered barrel bit by Erica's ATA. It's a diamond bit that I'm using, and it's the coarse grit. So it comes in various grits, and I'm using the coarse one on her because she does have a heavier cuticle, and she has some thicker skin around the nails as well that I can exfoliate to make them soft again really easily. If you're interested in shopping for any bits, I highly suggest going onto Erica's website. The link is in my description box. If you choose to buy any, you can save 10% using the code REVIVE10. I'm using the e-file to remove the top few layers of her nail because they were pretty rough and they had some ridging in there. So I smoothed it out with the e-file, and then I'm going to come back with the buffer and just make it nice and smooth, one solid plate. And then I'm going to come back with a different buffer, which you might not have ever seen me use before, to shine her nail plate so it looks like she's wearing polish, but she's not. So in the Express Pedicure, I don't normally do any foot exfoliation, but she did have some rough skin around her heels that I wanted to take care of for her. And she could tolerate the e-file dry filing as opposed to the foot file. So I just thought it would be good for her to have this. And then what we did was I took some warm, moist towels and wrapped her feet in them afterwards to clean off the foot and saturate her skin a little bit with some moisture before putting on the layer of cream that I gave her at the end. Before and afters are coming up. Thanks guys for hanging out with me today. I'll see you next time in my next video. Have a wonderful day.